Big Tractor Power fans. I'm visiting a Northeast Iowa dairy farm, and in this video we're going to take a look at a very unique variation of the popular John Deere 4455 tractor. This version of the tractor is an open station, and 99% of the 4455s built in the late 1980s and early 1990s featured the popular John Deere Sound-Gard cab. By this time period in tractor production, a 140 PTO horsepower tractor like this would have featured a rollover protection system or a fully enclosed air-conditioned cab. This tractor is unique not only in its open station configuration, but also for some other features such as its transmission that we'll talk about in this video. We'll also see and hear this tractor at work filling a Harvestore silo with a John Deere 150 silo blower. So let's head over to the action and see this tractor at work. This farm is harvesting triticale utilizing a John Deere 6810 self-propelled forage harvester. The chopper is filling forage boxes which haul the crop back to the farm to be stored in the Harvestore silo and ferment to become feed for the cows. The John Deere 4455 open station and 150 silo blower are helping put that feed away into the silo. Let's take a brief look at the specifications of this John Deere 4455 open station tractor. You might notice right away that this 4455 uses the same fenders that were found on the popular John Deere 4020 manufactured from 1963 through 1972. The fenders are not the only things that this 4455 has in common with the 4020. It also utilizes the John Deere Synchro Range 8 forward and 2 reverse speed transmission that was also used by the 4020 that was not a power shift model. The John Deere 4455 was manufactured from 1988 through 1992 in Waterloo, Iowa. It is powered by a John Deere 466 cubic inch diesel engine rated at 140 PTO horsepower. This tractor came standard with a Sound-Gard cab and normally featured a quad range partial power shift 16 forward and 6 reverse speed transmission, or a full power shift transmission with 15 forward and 4 reverse speeds. So this open station 4455 with a synchro range transmission is very unique in its configuration. In the fall of 1992, John Deere introduced the 145 PTO horsepower 7800 tractor to replace the 4455. In 1994, the company found that they still had remaining parts for the 4455 and manufactured a limited run through 1995 of open station model 4455s like the one that we see in this video. Their intended sales point was Mexico, although a few have appeared here in the United States. Again, this tractor has that synchro range transmission from the John Deere 4020 and also has a rear end from the 4430. So this is a very unique tractor. It is similar to a 4455 with a Sound-Gard cab in that it has the same 466 cubic inch engine and model number, but it has different components from other John Deere tractors of the past. I hope you've enjoyed spending some time on this Northeast Iowa dairy farm taking a look at this very unique version of the John Deere 4455 tractor. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there are over 1,000 videos of farm machines in action. If you have any questions or thoughts about this video, please share them in the comment section below as I try to respond to every post that is made. If you would like to see what is coming up next on Big Tractor Power YouTube, make sure to check out Big Tractor Power Instagram, where I share pictures and short video clips of what is currently being filmed in the field. As always, thank you for watching.